Nag-lunch kami ngayon.
McDonald's. Paano naman ako kawawa dyan?
Ano mo? Ano ba ga?
Kamot ko lang nahiling, oh. Vlog yan, bro, vlog. Okay. By Philippines, yan, pag YouTube yan. Oh, subscribe nyo si ano. Subscribe ko. Usmalun!
Ang ganda ng nails ko. Ay po. Hey guys, so I've already settled in. So today is the pre-tea day. Kasi mag-start yung tour namin and 5:30 daw ang call time. 5 AM daw breakfast. 5:30 biyahe na. Sa Laguna pa kami bukas. And time check, it's already 12:30 AM. So, gising kami mga 4. Yan na. So, matutulog na rin lang naman. That's my luggage. Time check, it's already 4:50 AM. Prepping for our Laguna tour. Today is our first day of our Edu tour, and this is the outfit. Yeah.
naiwan daw yung
Madam, hi ka, madam. Hi.
Picture, ngiti. Ngiti, nag-flash pa si Kuya. Alam niyo ba, si Jocon din ang nagpasimula ng dati ang bagal humilang sa Comelec eh. Yung isa, Uli Asul.
Peak season ng production, we're running at
So, mag-start tayo na.
Ah. Kaya. Ay, shit. Shit. Sobrang coffee. Tapos lang ng tour namin sa Conception Carrier. And we're having a coffee break. Pero di ako nag-coffee. Hi Joshua, how's your first day of our edit tour?
So we're here at the Conception Carrier company, so it's very amazing and the area is very cool.
What have you learned?
I learned that aircons are aircons.
How they
factory, like, you know, the process and all.
very meticulous, right?
Very meticulous and very detailed.
Yeah.
Yung mga ginagawa nila. So I salute to all workers here. A very good clap.
Unahan na namin mga kasama namin.
Back to our bus because we're done with our second part of our day 1 edit tour here in Laguna, right? Yeah. Hi po, ate. Yung bus namin for today. Hi, say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Hi po.
Yung dalang ko mo eh.
Ay, yun na, di mo.
Say hi, Val. We're finally here. Day 2 is done. Ay, day 1 is done. Day 1 of editor done.